So a few weeks ago, I posted that we were rebuilding my business immersive. Rebuilding being, I guess, a phrase to say we're really looking at what we do. For those of you who don't know, we're go to immersivehiring.com. We are an embedded recruiter. At least we were and are still. And I think that's part of this conversation around what are we doing. The decision to do it in public and sort of do videos like this and update it was really to say, actually, everybody, we could really do with your help. And some people have volunteered, and I really thank you so much for contributing to more about the why we do what we do rather than the how or the what, maybe. But today's video is a weekly update. I've stopped doing the Notion. You've noticed already. It's like really good intention, daily update, daily update. And what we finished up with is a sort of a weekly update like this. There's a single page slide deck where we're updating as we go along about some of the key things that we found along the way. But mostly, I think it's around the market. You know, if you've been anything to do with talent acquisition, anything to do with recruitment over the last 18 months, it's been really hard. I heard of another one of our competitors has gone into bankruptcy. Not entirely their fault. Cash flow being the killer. Number of